Hot peppers are widely famous for pickles, so let's make a delicious hot pepper pickle today. I have grabbed some fresh hot peppers and sliced them up vertically. Make sure to watch it till the end, otherwise you might miss something important. Now we will add some spices. The exact quantities will be given in the description and I will also mention them in the video. First we will add half teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Second is our turmeric powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And the third one is fennel and coriander powder. Now we will add mustard seeds. These small mustard seeds called rye in India. If you don't have these, you can use regular mustard seeds. Now almost all the steps are finished, but a major one is left, adding oil. When making pickles, always add mustard oil. Mustard oil gives the perfect flavor. We don't have to dip this pickle in oil. We only need oil for tempering the peppers. Or you can dip it if you want. And it has a normal shelf life of 30 days. Without acetic acid, it can last longer if you keep the pickle away from moisture or use clean hands while handling it. And for extra sourness, we are adding dry mango powder, which is optional. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe it. Pickle is ready. You can eat now or one day later.